Yep, well, so yeah, the shoes are done. So yeah, let me just roll these in. So yeah, these are Justin's shoes. So this is video free. So a quick look at them. So yeah, I'm just about to peel off the back on here. Just have a look at. I say I've literally not peeled these off, so it might not come off exactly right. But yeah, there we go. There we go. Yeah, looking really good. So what I'll be doing for these is I'll literally just be going around them tonight, just go around the edges, just sort of find details, make sure you know that all this is sort of stuck on well, don't add any additional glue on, make sure I can sort of detail in the edges around there, and then just check the glue levels around here, all that sort of stuff. Make sure these obviously letters are all stuck down, you know, remove like bits of paper which are just on here, you know, from where it's masked and taped off. But yeah, I really like them, they look really good. So obviously Justin's decided to go for the additional panels in here as well, which are also EL panels, hence why there's sort of different levels from that one. And obviously it's gone for the latest half moons in here. Obviously this is the new 2023 shoe, so if you can see that, it's got so much more quality of paint on and a fleck on it. It's really good, really clear sole on there as well, so it looks lovely. Yeah, loving that. I did a really neat job on these. I don't know how well it comes across on camera, but to the naked eye, these look absolutely lovely. You know, on my phone they look a bit blurry on my phone, but they're not blurry, so they look really crisp. So yeah, all great. And so they're run off these, and like I said on the prior videos, you know, you can unclip them here and you can change them over for the smaller units, the CR2032 unit if you want to. Obviously I use these for display, so these last absolutely hours and hours, and I tuck them into my sock if on the rare occasion I do wear my own pair of shoes. Press the button there. Like that. I'm saying the whole lot flashes. But yeah, I mean, I'm really pleased. You know, mine honestly very minor imperfections. I mentioned a little bit of glue here, and obviously this is the bad section we mentioned just here, a little bit of glue just there. But honestly, other than that, I would say that those are absolutely top notch, and they're the best ones, you know, that I've done, because I've done a really quality job on these babies. But mainly also the fact that these are so lovely, those soles, and those look really good as well. So yeah, I'm really pleased with that. So next to it here, that's the other pair that arrived also last week. So both of those two pairs arrived from AliExpress on the same day, so you can sort of see the comparison of the standard one there and then the upgraded one just there. So yeah, same shoe. Again, you can we sort of see the difference in brightness from these, and how sort of these are two LEDs and stuff. These are sort of like purple versus those. So you can sort of see a lot of difference. But yeah, great shoe, the 2023 shoe. Obviously make sure that when you order these from AliExpress, that you do order from Raising, versus the 2021 pair that's there that I just sold yesterday on the internet. So yeah, those are going to go as well. Cool. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you found the video interesting. These did take a lot of hours. I mean, it took about 9 hours of work in the end to do these, so a lot of effort. And I say they are fan modified, so that, you know, they're not perfect, but they are very good, and they're very wearable as well. Great, nice one. Thanks for watching, and yeah, check out the links, the other videos for the list of the parts and the suppliers and all that sort of stuff. And I'll add a few bits and bobs into here, but mainly the fact that you've got AirMagKing for this bit and the letters on the back. This is homemade. These are from EL Wirecraft, same as this, and the power supply and the loom. And these are from a seller on Etsy. I think they're called Retro Trash, but yeah, they're on Etsy for those ones. All combined with, like I say, about 9 hours of work to convert that pair. Cool. There we go. Thanks a lot, and yeah, all the best.